Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Hubitat dashboards and automations easy tutorial step by step clearly. To back up your Hubitat dashboards and automations, first, log into your Hubitat web interface. Navigate to the Apps section on the sidebar. Look for the Dashboard option in the Apps menu. Click on Dashboards to display your existing dashboards. Select the dashboard you wish to back up. Once open, locate the Settings icon in the top right corner. Click on the Settings icon to access dashboard settings. Choose the Export option from the drop-down menu. A pop-up window will appear with the export code for your dashboard. Copy this code and save it to a secure location, like a text file. Repeat these steps for any other dashboards you want to back up. Next, move on to backing up your automations. Return to the main Hubitat interface and navigate to the Apps section again. This time, look for the Rule Machine app if you have automations created. Open the Rule Machine app to see your existing rules. Select each rule you want to back up. Similar to the dashboards, click on the Settings icon for each rule. Select the Export option to get the code for the rule. Copy the rule code and save it alongside your dashboard codes. Repeat this process for any additional rules you want to back up. Once you have all your dashboards and automations backed up, store them safely. Consider using cloud storage for easy access and security. Remember to back up regularly to ensure you have the latest version of your setups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.